Racing just started. We have Chariot of Fire first to show quickness at the start, moving up by the Real Spicy. Alexis Magic comes next, Kayang Kaya, while Lord of All is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Real Spicy, the early leader by about 3/4 of a length lead. Chariot of Fire is right behind in second, 3 lengths further back in third comes Lord of All, running alongside Kayang Kaya, while Alexis Magic now in behind them as they swing. Down the back we have Real Spicy by about 2 lengths. Chariot of Fire in second, 5 lengths further back in third comes Kayang Kaya. Moving upon the outside Alexis Magic, while Lord of All still running at the tail of the field. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Real Spicy by about 3 lengths. Chariot of Fire still in second. Kayang Kaya is down in third. Alexis Magic comes next, while Lord of All still running at the tail of the field. Time is running out as the competition now reached the part turn. We have Real Spicy maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead. Chariot of Fire still in second. Kayang Kaya is down in third. Alexis Magic comes next, while Lord of All is still running at the tail of the field as they swing to home. We have Real Spicy. This time draws clear by about 5 lengths. Chariot of Fire still in second with about 100 meters of the race. The 2008 Philracom Amethyst 1 belongs to Real Spicy. Second, Chariot of Fire. Then comes Kayang Kaya, Alexis Magic, and Lord of All.